Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to another video for Lemoncraft. In this video I'm going to make a baby card. It's a card for baby girl made with newest Lemoncraft collection called Lullaby. And I'm going to cut out some elements from the vintage sheet, and I'll be using for my top layer paper Lullaby 04, and I'm just using a small piece of it, and for my back layer I'm going to use paper which is like beige with leaves from basic set. And also I am going to cut out some leaves from the leaves 02 part, and I cut it like 3 or 4 leaves, and I have collected some small elements to embellish my card. And you can see what I did with the balloon, that I have cut it in 2 pieces because I want smaller balloon to go on top of my frame and the bigger balloon to go underneath my frame. And I also have small foamy flowers, and I'm going to use them on my card. I have a video how to create those flowers on my YouTube channel, so if you would like to see it, just pop to my YouTube channel. So I start with sticking on the first layer. I have cut out some leaves from the bottom layer where no one will see it, and I will save some paper this way. So I have some die cuts, and I stick the first layer on with glue and the second layer with foam pads. Then I am adding those air hot balloons and the frame. So the first balloon and the frame I'm going to stick just with the foam pad, just 1 layer of foam pads, and the second balloon, the smaller one, I want to attach with 2 layers of foam pads. As you can see, I have added a little lace underneath the frame, and now I'm just creating those layers for the balloon. I'm not going to stick it yet, as I want to create some decorations around the frame first, some embellishments, and then I will stick it on when my flower arrangement is ready. So I'm just trying the leaves, smaller and bigger branches. The leaves are really good because you can cut them into smaller pieces, and I always like that. And I have 2 like chipboard flourish, whatever you call them, like these are the flowers, I don't remember the name of them. But yes, I had them in my stash, so if you've got any chipboard elements, I like swirly one, that would be good here. Try to use what you have at home. As you can see, I have a few buttons and also a small pegs, as I thought I'm going to use some of the elements which are sitting on my shelf for a long time. I have them in the drawers and I barely use them, so I thought, well, with every card I try to take something out and use it. So we'll see how it goes. I will try to use some of those buttons and at least one of the peg. So I'm adding the sisal now, sisal, whatever you call it. It's like a fiber, very very thin one. Some people call it hair, which I don't like that name, but yes, it adds really nice texture to the project, just a little bit underneath the flowers. I have sticked on the leaves, and I will add my flowers. The flowers are very very small, but because my focal point is the balloon here, I don't want to add any big flowers. So yes, those tiny ones look really pretty here. And I also have the sentiment, the baby one, which is chipboard element, and I will add a touch of ink to it on the bottom of the letters. My camera didn't catch that, I don't know what happened, but yes, I will add just like a very little color to the bottom of the letters. It was a purple or a dark pink color, but you will see that you can barely see it actually. So I'm just finishing the floral composition, and I'm trying few buttons. I couldn't decide, but then well, I am going to use one green underneath the frame, and I will use one pink near the leaves. But first I am going to stick on a little foam pads to my sentiment, as I don't want it flat on the balloon. I just want it to pop out more. And then I will add 2 little butterflies, which are very very cute in on the sheet for with the elements to cut out. There's few different butterflies, so you could use the other ones as well. I just wanted to use those kind of purple one, as my flowers are a little bit purple. So yes, so I'm just curling, the wings of the butterflies, and I'm going to stick them on. Then I will add those buttons finally. So I will use the hot glue to stick the buttons on, and then I am going to add a little peg, and my last step will be adding a sparkle to my card. Yes, the card cannot be without glitter, so I am going to add a little bit of glitter in a minute too. The peg has got that metal element to it, that's why I cannot attach it with flat with the glue, and I will be using the little foam pad first, then glue, and will stick it just underneath the flower arrangement, but you can still see it. And now time for the glue. For the glitter, actually glitter glue and glitter. So I'm just adding at the edges of the leaves of the butterflies a little bit of the flowers, and I will sprinkle everything with glitter as well, and that's it. This is all I did today. I must say I really like this card. It is very very cute in my opinion, and I hope you like it as well, and I hope you like the video. And also I hope you will make a similar card, and if you do, please tag me on social media. Also, you could visit a Lemoncraft blog for more wonderful inspirations. And that's it for today. Thank you very very much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.